The Isuzu Trooper is a legendary SUV that was first introduced as a simple off-road vehicle with a 4-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Over time, the Trooper evolved with the addition of features such as air conditioning, power windows, and a more powerful V6 engine. The second generation offered greater comfort and was available in both 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive variants. This rumor is just in concept. Hopefully it will become an inspiration in the future. After Trooper production was discontinued in 2002, Isuzu shifted its focus to commercial vehicles and trucks. In 2025, we hope Isuzu revives the Trooper name with a modern design that blends its off-road heritage with the latest technology. This new model is expected to feature a more aggressive look, a more luxurious interior, and an advanced infotainment system. Additionally, its off-road capabilities would be enhanced with a more sophisticated 4-wheel drive system and the latest safety features. Although there is no official information regarding the Isuzu Trooper concept for 2026, rumors about its revival in 2025 indicate Isuzu's commitment to staying relevant in the SUV market by offering a vehicle that meets the needs of modern drivers, without sacrificing the off-road capabilities that define its legacy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.